In 1917, hundreds of young women were hired to paint watch dials with radioactive paint. They were told to lick their brushes to a fine point every single day. The paint was called Undark. The company called it safe. The executives handling contaminated paperwork wore protective gloves. The women were told to put the brushes in their mouths. By the 1920s, the women's jaws were disintegrating. Teeth were falling out whole. Bones were fracturing without any impact. Their bodies were glowing in the dark. The company already had internal medical data proving radium was killing them. They used that data to fight the women in court, not to save them. Grace Fryer sued while her spine was collapsing. She could barely sit upright in the courtroom. The women won a settlement in 1928. Most of them were already dying. The company's private documents were never fully released to the public. Some corporate records from that period are still sealed. We don't know everything they knew. Follow Midnight Whisper. A new dark secret drops tonight at 7.